Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do banana pops. Really, really simple. We will send home in your bag one banana, cut it in half, and you can make 2 banana pops. And when we get, before we dip it in white chocolate, I have white chocolate. You will get chocolate because I didn't have any chocolate at home. So we're going to do white chocolate and then roll it in sprinkles and put it into the freezer for a couple of hours. And then you can have your banana pop. Really, really easy. So what we send you, you can make 2 out of. So we'll give you 2 sticks, a banana, sprinkles, and a block of chocolate to melt. Okay, this one you will do the 14th of July, and you can pick it up that morning. Okay, first thing you have to do is put your popsicle stick in the middle of your banana. And we have our white chocolate melted in a bowl. Roll your banana around. Get as much chocolate on it as you can. It's not as easy as it looks. And then take your banana and roll your sprinkles in it. Just keep on rolling. What you may want to do is get you a knife and spread it on there, right there, so you have plenty of sprinkles on it. Then put it in a plate, lay it on a plate and put it in the freezer for at least 2 hours, and you will have a frozen pop.